What if you could create cinematic videos, clone voices, or even generate original music, all without a camera, actors, or expensive editing software? That's exactly what Top Media lets you do. In this video, I'll show you how their AI video generator works, powered by Google Veo 3. And if you want to try it yourself, I've added the link right in the description below. Top Media AI is your all-in-one AI creation studio, built for creators by creators. From the AI music generator and text-to-speech, to voice cloning and the AI video generator, it makes pro-level content creation fast, fun, and accessible. Whether you're making videos, podcasts, remixes, or just exploring your creativity, Top Media AI helps you create smarter, not harder. Create, remix, elevate. All with Top Media AI. We all know creating videos the traditional way is complicated. You need cameras, actors, mics, and hours of editing. But with Top Media AI, you skip all of that. Just type your idea, and in minutes, AI transforms it into motion with visuals, sound, and cinematic effects. Powered by the advanced Google Veo 3 model, the AI video generator creates high-fidelity, cinematic outputs with synchronized visuals, motion, and sound. You can generate both text-to-video and image-to-video directly in your browser. Enhance your videos with AI-powered effects like cinematic filters, dynamic transitions, and motion blur in just seconds. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram content. Write a prompt, upload images, or draft a short script, and watch it become a polished video with scene transitions and smooth camera moves. For short-form content, you can even adjust the video length, ideal for AI stories, reels, or animated shorts. No cameras, no mics, no expensive gear. With Top Media AI, it's just you, your idea, and AI, handling everything from visuals to sound. Let's quickly test it together. Go to Top Media AI. I've also left the link in the description. Log in or sign up for free. Once you're inside, the interface is very clean and easy to use. On the dashboard, you'll see options like text to video, image to video, AI short video generator, plus tools for voice, music, and effects. For this demo, I'll select text to video because we're starting with written prompts. I'll type in a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and glowing neon signs. I'll choose the cinematic style and hit generate. And here's the result. Pretty impressive. Smooth visuals, neon glow, and realistic motion. Now let's try another one. This time I'll enter a cozy cabin in the snowy mountains, smoke rising from the chimney, warm golden lights glowing inside. For this one, I'll switch the style to realistic and generate. And there it is. A peaceful winter scene with warm tones. Looks straight out of a holiday movie. Finally, let's make something a bit more dynamic. I'll add anime-style space battle with giant robots fighting above Earth. This time, I'll choose the anime style and generate. Wow, vibrant colors, fast motion, and anime-style characters. It really captures that epic sci-fi feel. So, with just 3 prompts and a few clicks, we've generated 3 completely different videos: cinematic, realistic, and anime. All without cameras, actors, or complicated editing. The possibilities are endless. For example, trendy and viral content. Turn memes or funny prompts into short shareable clips. AI avatars and digital influencers. Create vlogs, guides, or product reviews with virtual hosts. Emotional storytelling. Build short cinematic stories with dramatic visuals and sound. Creative hooks and experiments. Try AI-generated ASMR, sci-fi shorts, or mashups for YouTube or TikTok. Here's what stands out. fast, fun, and beginner-friendly. Delivers cinematic quality without expensive gear. Lets you experiment with styles and ideas endlessly. One small note. Prompts sometimes need tweaking to get the exact look you want, but that's part of the creative process. By the way, Top Media is also celebrating its brand anniversary. To thank the community, they're running a giveaway and offering up to 70% discounts. If you'd like to join the celebration or grab a deal, check out the link in the description or visit topmediaeye.com/activities/anniversary celebration. If you want to create your own AI videos with Top Media Eye, check out the link in the description. It's free to start, and I'd love to see the prompts you come up with. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you'd create first with Top Media Eye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.